Good morning, grade 5. Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Today you're going to be studying more about electricity. The date is 28th April 2020. The day is Tuesday. And the topic it is going to be how do changes affect electrical circuits. This is from your pupil book pages 113 to 114. So let's start. The learning outcomes is predict and test the effects of making changes to circuits, including the change in the number and type of electrical components. We have learned from the earlier classes that what are circuits? Circuits is a part of flow of electricity. And what are electrical components? They are the things that make up a circuit. For example, wire, battery, lamp, motor, buzzer, switch. They are all electrical components. So by changing the number and the type of the components, does the electrical circuit work, doesn't work, or works better, or some components work better, some components don't work? This is what we are going to study today. This is where you're going to predict. That means you're going to guess. So from your pupils book page 113, you can see there's a diagram drawn of one battery with wire, a bulb, and a switch. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same thing with a circuit builder, and I'm going to complete it. I'm going to use 1.5 volt battery, that means one battery, and I'm going to connect the wires and the bulb, and let's see what happens. When I will close the switch, I mean when I'm going to close the circuit and the switch is turned off, the circuit is complete, the bulb lights up. The question here is that if I will change the number of batteries in the circuit, what will happen? Now in the same circuit, I'm going to change the number of batteries. First it was 1.5, now it's become 3 volt. That means I'm going to increase it, double. 1.5 plus 1.5 has become 3. The bulb starts to shine brighter. I will turn the switch off and I will remove the battery, and let's see again what happens. It's not as bright, but when you put a 3 volt battery, it's more brighter. So when the 3 volt battery is there, that means there are two batteries inside, there is more electric current flowing through the circuit. This is why the bulb is going to be more brighter. Whereas when we have a 1 volt battery, there is less electric circuit, that means less electricity is flowing in the circuit. The bulb is going to be dimmer as compared to two 1.5 batteries and making it 3 volts. Okay, now let's see the next. In this circuit on page number 114, you have two batteries, that means 1.5 and 1.5, 3 volt batteries. Okay, and you're having one bulb drawn in the circuit. Okay, on page 114, I'm going to be drawing using the circuit builder. Okay, I'm going to connect all the wires so there is no gap in the circuit. The circuit is closed. You're going to insert the switch. Then we're going to, let's see, the bulb is shining very brightly. Okay, and if I add one more bulb to it, what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen if I will add in an electrical circuit having already 1.5 volt, two batteries, one lamp, with all the wires connected? If I add one more bulb, what's going to happen? Let's check it out. The next slide. See, let's connect it again. The same slide I'm going to do again. The same circuit builder. I'm going to use two bulbs, two batteries, 1.5 and 1.5. I'm going to not leave any gap inside the circuit. I'm going to connect all the wires, and then I'm going to put the switch, close my circuit, and then let's see. Are they as bright as it was before? They are working, but are they as bright as it was before? Let's remove one lamp and check again. Is it the same brightness or is less? See, when there is one bulb or one lamp, the brightness is more. But if we have two lamps, it will require the electric current is being shared between two of them. So the amount of electricity, the amount of brightness in the lamps is going to decrease. When there was only one lamp, all the electricity was going through one lamp and the lamp was brighter, the bulb was brighter. But when we have two lamps together, the electric current is being shared by both of them, and as a result, it's not going to be as bright as before. So is it understood, grade? So let's review grade 5. What will happen if we add another battery in an electric circuit? You already have one battery having 1.5 volts, okay? And there is a switch and there is one lamp and all the wires are connected. If I am going to add another battery in the electric circuit, what is going to happen? Can you guess? What do you think? Look carefully, I'm giving you a hint. I've added another battery. What is going to happen? A large electrical current will flow through it, so the bulb will be brighter. Very good. Very good, grade 5. Let's go for the next question. You're going to write these question answers in your copybook. You can pause the video and then you can write it down and you can draw the circuits also. What will happen if you add another bulb or a lamp to a bulb in an electrical circuit with one battery? Once you have, think, you have one bulb, you have 1.5 volt, one battery. And if you're going to add another lamp or a bulb to it, what is going to happen? Think, grade 5. I think you know the answer. What's going to happen? The small electrical current, the bulb are going to shine dimmer. The two lamps are going to be dimmer and the one lamp is going to be brighter. You're correct. One bulb is going to be brighter and the two bulbs are going to be dimmer because small electrical current will flow through the circuit and the bulbs will be dimmer than the circuit with one bulb. You're good. Very good. So I want you to copy and paste the following link to study the study test. Okay. It's about what you have done before. Okay. It's about the electrical circuits, conductors and insulators. Okay. And I wish you a safe Ramadan. Stay indoors, stay safe and be good and pray a lot so that we will be free from this virus, and have a nice day. Goodbye.